Hello dolls and gents, and welcome back to another unit video. So this is the unit that I received. It is by Ubetta Hair. This is a unit I received. This is the packaging that it came in. This is what it looks like. It did come with a wave cap, the usual. Take together. As you can see, I am just now opening this along with you guys so that I can do my review for you. Okay, and for those of you who don't follow my channel, I don't do the stocking cap method. I like the security of the combs, knowing that it's laid down to my head. Also, I do just a got to be glued. I don't put this on where it's on for weeks and weeks and weeks at a time. I do take my unit off every night. So here's a unit, beautiful colors. Let me tell you a little bit about the unit. So first of all, the unit is a hand-tied lace, 3x1 T-part lace. It's supposed to give you the same natural and realistic hairstyle look as the 3x4 or the 3x6 lace wig. It says it has an easy to do plucked hairline. So it's supposed to look like the hair is growing from your scalp. I do like that. Can you see my nail there? Very easy hairline, okay, to pluck. It is 100% human hair. It is easy to curl. Any texture. This is the body wave style. This might be loose wave. Let me make sure. Silky straight. This is the brown to blonde with highlights as well. This is the brown to blonde with highlights, 4P27. And there is body wave and silky straight. It doesn't really go into density of what this is. This might be silky straight. It's not as wavy as a body wave would be, okay? This cap size is 22.5 inches. So, and the density is 150%. So let's get into the wig. So far, it feels very soft and natural. It doesn't feel too heavy, like it's going to be heavy on my head. Here she is. Not tangling. A little bit of strings coming off, which is normal, but it's not tangling. Here's the top part. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut my lace off so we can put this baby on and see, after I throw stuff around, how we're going to put it on. I did try cutting the lace off on my head before, and you know, that don't work out. So if you follow my channel, you know that I cut my lace off before I put it on. I just do it in the zigzag type motion. And then when I get it on, I will take more lace off the unit if I need to. So it's very silky, very nice, very natural. I didn't really know how it would be, but it is very silky and nice. So I'm glad about that. Even with cutting the lace off, the hair is just flowing the way I want it to flow. Okay, so I have the lace off. It does have 2 combs in the top. It does have a comb in the center, which I really do like. And it has a comb on the back. So we're going to go ahead and put this on. So I made it tight because I want to make sure that my unit is on tight. I tucked the comb under the back part. Look at her. Look at her. Okay, so I made sure the comb was on the back part. I'm going to tuck this comb there. And I'm going to tuck that comb there. And I'm not going to cut this part off my ear yet. So here's the lace. And I don't really feel like, let me see if I have feel like I need to put a little bit, like from a distance. I don't feel like I need the foundation right there. But coming up to it, because you can see the actual lace, let me get a little bit of foundation. All right, so this is my just my airbrush leg spray in medium glow. I'm gonna spray it on my finger because I don't want to spray the wig and mess it up. And I'll do the tip top part in a second. I almost feel like I don't need, honestly, the got to be. Like, this thing is on my head. Like, seriously, it is on my head. But I want to got to pleat this side down. I need to cut it a little bit. It's just, I wasn't going to cut it, but it is just right, see it on my ear. And I don't want to mess up the unit. So, I just want to give myself a little, I have a small head. And I don't want to mess up the unit, but, so I am going to got to be right there. And I have my scarf down here, so I can lay that down. And sometimes I like the got to be gel better than the spray. They both kind of do the same thing. But the gel will just go ahead and stick it down so you can stick your scarf on. I want this to look very natural. See that top part? I want it to look very natural. I don't want to lay baby hairs down. I'm definitely of a good age where I don't need to lay baby hairs down. And see how that keeps coming up? So what I'm going to do is tie this down. Really tight. So that part can lay down. I want that little edge there to lay down. I could have laid it down a lot faster with the got to be gel, but that's okay. So this is the unit. I like the unit. It is actually very, very gorgeous. I have some flyaways here, and what I'm going to do is spray the got to be in my hand and lay these flyaways down. And I'm doing that, and I'm not doing a lot. That's why I didn't spray the unit. I sprayed my hand because I don't want it to be stiff. I don't want it to be stiff where it's not moving at all. You know, I want the unit to flow, but I don't want to have all those flyaways. So that's why I sprayed it in my hand. That's just my technique. Because if I would have sprayed the unit, it's almost like spraying like spritz or something on the unit. And then you have this stiff hair that you're dealing with all day. And I don't want it to be stiff. Like, it's okay if it's laying down, but I don't want it to be like stiff. But this is the unit, and it's actually beautiful. It's actually really nice and beautiful. I did cut some of the lace, so I do expect to have a little bit of shedding probably for about an hour or two. When I take this bandana off, I am going to brush it really, really good, so that any strays from me cutting the lace will come off. But I love the unit. It's not that heavy. It goes right down, right below my bra strap. So the length is actually really, really good for me. Let me see what the length was. It didn't really say what length I got. It looks like maybe a 18, 16 or 18, because it falls like right below my bra strap. Right below my bra strap. So here it is. I'm going to let this sit on here for a little while so that I can make sure that it stays down on my head. I love the unit. You will see me wearing this unit. Thank you, Ubetta Hair, for the unit. And thank you guys for watching this video.